Welcome to lesson 5 of the Twi Verbs, and welcome to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. We continue our lesson on Twi Verbs, and today too we are considering 4 verbs. And like I always say, I wouldn't want to give you so many that you cannot grasp them one at a time. In Twi we say Ketewese, sene dodoɔ wurawura. When we say Ketewese, it means simple but good. Sene dodoɔ wurawura is better than what? So many but garbage. Yeah, Ketewese, sene dodoɔ wurawura. That is, simple but good is better than so many but what? Garbage. So it's better we learn the Twi verbs one at a time than to tell you so many that you cannot what? Keep in the mind. You learn and then you forget. Yeah, so let's start with the first verb. The first verb is what? Di. Di. When we say di, it means what? To eat. To eat. So for example, you can tell your child, di aduane no. Di aduane no. What does that mean? It means eat the food. Aduane is what? Food. So di aduane no. And I have explained no several times. No, in this case, is what? A definite article, and that is the. So aduane no, the food. With Twi, the adjective always comes after the noun. It's not like English that the adjectives comes before the noun. So in English I will say the food, but in Twi I will say food, and then the will come afterwards. Aduane no, the food. Yeah, so you can tell your child, eat the food. In Twi you will say di aduane no. Di aduane no. So when we say di, it means what? To eat. To eat. Good. Eating and drinking, somehow they go along, isn't it? Yeah. So how do we say drink in Twi? In Twi we say nom. Nom. Let me give you an example. I can say manom nsuo no. Manom nsuo no. This is in the perfect tense. Manom nsuo no. If I want to say I drink water, if I want to use simple present, I will say I drink water. So I will say menom nsuo. Well, if you want to learn about Twi tenses, then you have to refer to the lesson on Twi tenses. I'll put the link in the description so you can refer to that and learn if you have not yet studied the Twi tenses. Good. So you can say manom nsuo no. That means I have drank the water. So when we say nom, it means what? To drink. To drink. Good. Eating and drinking, they are somehow concomitant with what? Well, eating and drinking are concomitant with 2 things. If you eat too much, what will you do? You will have to also go to toilet. It's difficult for me to mention these words, but please forgive me. We need to learn these verbs. Yeah. So if you eat, you will go to toilet. In Twi, going to toilet, doing it, we say ne, ne, ne. So we can say abofra no ane, meaning the child has eased herself. Good. I will not talk much about this verb, so I want you to get the meaning. That is all. The 4th verb, that is also something that is concomitant with eating and drinking, is what? To pass off water, that is to urinate. Sometimes to avoid bedwetting, you wake the child up in the night and then you ask the child to what? Urinate. In that circumstance, when you wake the child up and you are telling the child, urinate, you can say, Johnso. Johnso, meaning what? Urinate. So when we say Johnso, that is what? To urinate. And when we say ne, and that is what? To go to toilet. Good. This is where we'll end this lesson. It was very difficult for me to what? Explain these words to you. And forgive me if I don't teach, how would you know? Yeah. So what have we learned? We have learned D, and that is what? To eat. Nom, to drink. Johnso, to urinate. Ne, to do that thing. Thanks for watching, and if you have not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe. If you have subscribed, you can give it a thumbs up.